Andrey Santos is a Brazilian professional footballer who plays as a central or defensive midfielder, known for his defensive work rate, physical strength, and late attacking runs into the box. He is widely regarded as one of Brazil's brightest young midfield talents. He quickly climbed the rank and made his senior breakthrough, establishing himself as a vital box-to-box presence. His standout performance in Brazil's second division caught the attention of major European scouts. Santos integrated into Celsa's first team for the 2025-26 season, making his Premier League debut in the opening match of the campaign. He served as a versatile midfield engine, registering 43 appearances in all competitions, scoring 3 goals and adding 4 assists. He represented Brazil's under-15s at the 2019 South America Under-15 Championships and captained Under-20 team to the title in the 2023 South American Under-20 Championships. He was the tournament's joint top scorer with 6 goals. Santos also captained Brazil at the 2023 FIFA Under-20 World Cup. He was captain of the Brazil Under-23 team at the 2024 CONMEBOL Pre-Olympic Tournament. On 6 January 2023, Vasco da Gama announced that Santos has departed the club to join Premier League club Celsa on February 2024. Santos was loaned to League One club Strasbourg until the end of season. He made his debut for Strasbourg on 8 February 2024 in a 3-1 defeat to Lorient in League One. His first goal for the club came on 12 May 2024, scoring the winning goal in extra time in a 2-win against Metz. He joined Celsa on their summer pre-season tour in the USA before returning to Strasbourg on a season-long loan on 2 August 2024. Santos made his debut for the club on 25 June 2025 in a 3-0 win against ES Tennis at the FIFA Club World Cup.